So in this video, we're gonna be doing like a topic of how long does it take to get $50 profit in pocket option. So we're gonna be using this strategy that I've shown previously. So I've done several videos on this Ichimoku Cloud strategy, and we'll be using OTC. The chart time frame is 5 seconds. Expiry time we're gonna use 1 minute. So click on here, change it to M1. Many of you would often ask why we're using OTC. Believe it or not, OTC charts actually are quite good for this, and on this broker, the OTC charts, they are actually very tradable. So the rules again, once it closes outside, like the previous one didn't close outside, now this is a close outside. Once it closes outside, we're going to take it for a 1 minute expiry, and if there happens to be a opposite indication, we will immediately double up. Okay, so if there's opposite indication like here, we will immediately double up and go the other way. The goal is to get a little over 5 net wins, probably about 6. That'll be more than $50. So to review the trades, I'm gonna open a trades bar right here again. I have the MACD here as a reference point so that I can see how is the price action. Is it too thin? And with these moving average lines, I can also have a visualization of what kind of price action is taking place. Alright, so the first one's a loss and the second one is on the way to a win. So at the end of this, there will be effectively 1 net win. So 1 winning set of trades is 1 net win. Okay. So 1 down, we're going to look for the next opportunity, wait for it to close on the other side of the bands. This time around, Ichimoku Cloud, I've taken out the I usually like to leave on, the Kijun Sen, but this time I just took it out so that you have a cleaner chart, because some people ask like, do I really need that many? Well, you don't. Okay, so I can wait for this to qualify for a setup again, or I can go to something else. What I like about the 5 second chart is that the waiting time between setups is not too many. So remember to set this back to my starting trade size. Actually, if it comes in and it comes out again, that's also a valid indication for a trade setup too. So it came in and closed out, so we're just waiting for it. You also can see the cross up here on the MACD. That's a good support indicator. So why are we doing this video? How long does it take to make $50? So many of you come from different parts of the world, and in many countries, 50 USD is good for a fair bit of stuff. You can do groceries, you can have a nice meal, you can go on a date or something, you can buy a present for someone. So we had this goal of making $50 with like $10 trades and Martingale. So now we have 2 net wins. Now let's look for a third one. You can also look at stocks. We just missed one here. Let's wait for the next one. Okay, this is out. Let's go. So the rule again, if it came in and it came out, so that's valid. MACD is looking very healthy as well, as you can see. Wow, very lively. Wow, that's awesome. So now we are on to our third net win. We have to get another 3, and then we'll have made more than $50. So let's look at something else. They have not updated the Twitter logo yet. Now it's like an X, right? This one is very thin. Okay, the payouts on these other ones here are very low. So let's get back to the top bunch. Shit, we missed this. Let's go in. We're a bit late, but it doesn't matter. Let's take it. This was the candle, but we're actually like 2 candles late. So let's try it. 2 candles, just 10 seconds. The reason why we use 5 second chart and 1 minute, so 1 minute is like 12 candles. 12 candles is ample time for a swing to take place. That is the reason why we need to get that many. And in the process of doing so, sometimes it can retrace to a support and then continue the direction as well. As you can see what's happening here, it's a retrace to a support and then they continue the drop. 4 net wins, another 2. Let's get back to currencies. It's a really stubborn trend. Also, logically speaking, right, I want to answer you guys on a topic, because a lot of people say in most brokers, isn't OTC out to game the trader? First and foremost, with pocket option, I feel that the charts are very technical analysis friendly. Sometimes even more technical analysis friendly than the regular Forex ones. I could just put on a regular Forex pair and then you will see that it's comparable. But sometimes if the market movement is erratic, the regular Forex pair could be even worse to trade. So many times I found the OTC is better. Now let me tell you another thing, okay, because so many of the traders out there in the market like to trade counter trend. But are we trading counter trend here? No, we're not. So, well, that's another level, because like on another platform, like IQ Option 2 years ago, they like to do it in such a way that the OTC is actually made to favor the minority. So if most people are doing reversal and you are the one following the trend, then you win. We should have one here very soon. Can either come in and get out, or it can come in and get out the other side. Let's wait for that. Okay, we just had one that come in and get out. No, we're way too late for this one. I'm not going to bother. So let's wait for next setup. See if it comes in and gets out one more time. Technically, yes. Get ready. If this closes, I will go other direction. Let's wait for next close up. Let's go. I should have realized it was triangulating. So you can see this triangle. And we had a breakout this time. This is again case in point that the OTC charts on pocket option are very technical analysis friendly. One more net win and we would have achieved our target of at least $50 in profit. So let's quickly set this back to 10. If it comes up, call, gets below, it's okay. Yeah, okay, good. So far in all the setups we had, the MACD has been very healthy. As you can see, it's always like increasing in terms of the height of the bar. Alright, and we have achieved our objective. So this is how long it takes to get at least $50 using $10 trades and this strategy on pocket option. If you like videos like this, give me a like and a subscribe for this. Drop a comment down beneath so I can produce more content just like this for you. And if you have other strategies that you'd like me to review and re-explain, because we know there's a lot of good strategies out there, but sometimes they're just so badly presented. So I will help you to make sense of it. I'll watch it a couple of times, make sense of it, try to simulate some trades and then explain it to you. And then along the process, I will also make some comments and feedbacks, maybe adjust time frames, adjust some indicator settings, put on some other complementary indicators to make it a working strategy, and to make a series of videos on that strategy just like this. And if any of you would like to get some additional help, first and foremost, do sign up for my mailing list, and you can write to me through my mailing list email as well. Let me know what kind of help you require, and then we can have a private session and I'll help you with your trading. Thanks for watching, and stay safe, make some profits, and let me know just how long it took for you to make $50. Bye.